Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have found my new favorite way to explore with this Likebike Lander electric bike. This bike provides such a comfortable ride. I have found it to be great for uneven terrain, which is most of the terrain where I live. It can handle bumpy and rocky surfaces with its suspension, no problem. The battery lasts a really long time, which means that this bike has excellent range, so I can take it on a nice, long, leisurely ride worry-free. It is a super solidly constructed bike. It came almost completely assembled, so it was very quick to put it all together. I was ready for my first ride on it in no time. I can use this bike with throttle mode or with pedal assist. For me personally, I like using it with pedal assist the most. This mode offers great speed and it's really customizable, so I find it's just really pleasant to ride it in this mode. I can choose to exert as much or as little energy as I want to with this bike. It is really easy to toggle through the different speed levels and to accelerate with the conveniently placed controls on the handlebars. I feel totally secure while riding this bike. All I have to do is touch the brakes to immediately slow down. This means I can easily navigate around any obstacles or adjust my speed to where I'm comfortable. I have even more motivation now to break away from my computer screen and get outdoors thanks to this electric bike from Likebike. But that's just my point of view.